Let it be known, if there's a scandal, I shall uncover it.
Hope you like tea, because Bridgerton is the very first Shondaland series at Netflix. But should you stream it or skip it?
Bridgerton is a new series based on the best-selling novels that follows young women in Regency London as they try to lock down life partners and then hopefully fall in love along the way.
Which young ladies might succeed at securing a match?
But then someone comes up, blowing up everyone's spotlight.
Oh, pardon me.
Forgive me.
And then that turns the scandals and the sex all the way up.
Much of this, of course, is due to the Duke of Hastings. Look, the year's not quite over yet. We still have time to fit in one more crush, and this is a guy we're gonna be very thirsty for well into the new year.
You know what else is fun to look at? All that dancing!
I love the dancing. It's so classy. The moves are so beautiful.
But Lea, what is your take on 18th century London? Would you have thrived? Would you have survived?
No, not at all. The pressure of having to find a man to marry and also having to maintain those bangs, I would crumble. I would just be banished from the town. I would never make it.
Shonda Rhimes definitely knows what she's doing. She's dropping this at the right time to get you hooked.
Oh, absolutely. This is all available starting on Christmas Day, but you know what the thing about it is? It's the perfect week after Christmas binge, and I know you're gonna wanna go right through it, but savor it, because it's the perfect thing to put on your jammies, get under a blanket, have some tea, and enjoy.
So Lea, what do you say? Should we stream it or skip it?
We should stream it, enjoy it, binge it, love it, and all hail Shonda.